Welcome to today's video. As you all know that there is a lot of discussion about Chat GPT that it can do this exam, and we have seen news that Chat GPT has passed that exam, Chat GPT has passed other exam, and all those exams are very tough. So as a PMP trainer, I just got intrigued with that and I thought let's see if it can pass PMP exam, because PMP exam itself is notoriously difficult and it is not easy to pass because it needs lots of experience and lots of knowledge and lots of thinking and different aspects and different angles that how you pass your exam. So I was going through LinkedIn and I have found this post from Sarah Hampton. She is the vice president at PMI, that is Project Management Institute. And she has mentioned somewhere like it is impossible for ChatGPT to pass this exam. So, as they have mentioned that here, our assessment has found that it cannot pass PMP exam. To go into more detail, when we have asked ChatGPT publicly, available sample PMP test questions with multiple choice question answers, ChatGPT scored below target. So this intrigued me, and I have thought, okay, if this is the case, let's test it. So here I have a chat GPT today open with me, and this is the free version, not the pro version or not the paid version. So this is the simple free version, and I am here now telling chat GPT that act as a PMP aspirant. And okay, let's see what it says. Good. So now I will give him some instructions that do not answer any question until I give you the question and the four choices for that. Okay. So I have given some instructions to ChatGPT that it should act as a PMP aspirant and it should not answer any question until I given you the four choices for the questions. So here I have a list of 10 questions that are realistic and very good quality questions ready with me. There are 10 questions. So we will give them one by one. So here is the question and here are the four options. I've already mentioned the correct answer so that it become easy for us to find out if it has given the right answer or the wrong answer. So I'm not copying the right answer or the correct answer. I'm just copying the question and the four options, and I will paste it right away in the prompt and let's see what it says. So here I have given the question and it has responded me that the best way to achieve is to conduct an iteration response retrospective, right? So this is the answer and here is the explanation of all other things why they are wrong and everything. So conduct an iteration retrospective. Do we have this? Yes, here it is. So it is A, B, and C. So it has given C as the right answer for this. We will go there in the Excel sheet and we will just put the answer there. Oh wow, it is the correct answer actually. Okay, now I will give it the second question and let's see what it says. So it is saying about the variance analysis, because to determine if the future in questions are in line, the appropriate analysis to undertake is variance analysis. And if we look at this, so variance analysis is the option B. So I will go back to the Excel file and mention B here. So now the third question. Let's see how it goes. So the options are review the requirements documentation to gain understanding, conduct a brainstorming session, perform a cost benefit analysis, and update the lessons learned register. And it says that the quality requirements and standards for infrastructure project, the project manager should review the requirements documentation. Do we have something like this? Review the requirements documentation, right? So this is practically the option A. Okay, so we will go back to the Excel and put an option A here. Now we have question number 4. I'm just copying this question with all these 4 options, and let's go back to Chat GPT and here. So here is the question and these are the 4 answers. So here it is mentioning withdraw or avoiding is the right option, right? What type of conflict management technique has the project manager used? The project manager has used withdraw or avoiding. That is option C. I will go back to Excel and put C there. Then question number 5, Control C and Control V. So it is saying about the creating a lessons learned register will help. Create a lessons learned register. That is option D here. Okay. So go back and D. Then I will paste another question. Keep in mind that all these questions are very natural and very near to the real exam questions. So the PMO is performing inspection right away. Okay, so this is option C, right? Option C. So we will just put C here. And then, oh, yes. We have another question, question number 7. And we will put it here and let's see what it says. Here it is started generating the response, and the best place for decision setters to change request would be change log. Do we have a change log here? Yes, and the change log is option A. So I will put A here. Then I will copy the next question and will paste it to Chat GPT. I've already made this Excel file just to keep it easy for you guys to understand. If we start finding the questions and put it there, then it will take more time. So I know your time is important. That is why I'm just copying pasting these questions, but these questions are very real and very genuine questions. So since the project is already in execution, you have taken over the project, and it is necessary to establish a project charter. Do we have established a project charter? That is option A. So I will put an A here. Okay, then the next question, that is question number 9. And out of 9 questions, by the way, till now, it has only given one wrong answer. Here it is, technical performance analysis to evaluate the transaction time data. So here we have this. So that is option D. Okay, we'll go there and put option D here. Now I am copying this and pasting it here. Okay. So out of 4 options, it has given me to update the stakeholder register. That is here, which is the option B. I will put B here. If we can see directly that B, B, D, D, A, only this option is wrong. Otherwise, all other options are correct, right? So we can surely say that out of 10, 9 questions are correct, which is 90%. And when we have 90% right answers, so this surely can pass PMP exam. So Chat GPT is efficient. So this is all for today, and we will meet in another exciting video. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to learn about PMP, project management, and many other different topics.